Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Blessing Chairman of Makai's Cakes and Pastries. So today, guys, guess what we're talking about? We're talking about how to make what chocolate butter cream frosting. So just like what you're seeing on my TV here, this actually was a chocolate butter cream frost. So I'm showing you how to achieve what a consistency chocolate butter cream frosting. If there's one thing I like about this frosting, because it's too chocolatey, like you can actually feel the taste of the chocolate effect on your mouth, and it tastes so amazing with what chocolate cake. And be it an oil-based cake, chocolate cake, or a butter-based chocolate cake. So guys, I'm going to show you how I do achieve that consistency part. So let's get down to the procedure, guys. Okay, so guys, before I quickly go down to the procedure, these are my ingredients on my table. There's the powdered sugar. You can be called powdered sugar. You can refer to as icing sugar, powdered sugar, or what confectioner sugar. So whenever you hear powdered sugar, because most people are always confused when they hear powdered sugar or what they confectioner sugar. So when you hear about all, just know that they're referring to what an icing sugar. So just know that they're referring to what a icing sugar. It could be a conventional sugar, or a powder sugar. So this is it here. There's my cake. I'm going to use the chocolate buttercream to frost this cupcake, just like what you're seeing here at the moment. And then this is my sprinkles. If you know me on my videos, you know that I love sprinkles a lot. It makes my cupcakes beautiful. And then there's the cocoa powder, and then there's the milk. If you don't have milk, you can use water. And then this is my margarine. Then there's the soda butter. So you can use margarine. I'm teaching it in the Nigerian way because I'm from Nigeria, and I'm using the margarine for my chocolate butter cream. You can also use this, which is the soda butter, for your chocolate butter cream. So first, I'm going to use what? I'm going to cream your margarine or your butter for like 5 minutes until it's pale and fluffy. So this is the first part. Cream your your butter or your margarine until it's pale and fluffy. So guys, this is actually ready. So always scrape down the sides of your bowl. This is very important, because if you don't do that, you'll be having some lumps and then it won't be incorporated. So I'm done with creaming my butter. This is how it should look like, looking so pale and fluffy. But the next is adding your confectioner sugar now. So when you add this, when you cream your butter or your margarine, you need to cream on high speed. So I'm going to bring this thing down, then cream for like on a medium speed. You alternate your icing sugar and then your milk and your cocoa powder. So at this point now, I'm going to add in my flavor first, and then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of milk. So I want to scrape down the sides of my bowl now, because this is very important. If you don't do that, everything will be incorporated together. I'm going to add another 1 teaspoon of milk again. For the recipe, don't you worry, I'm going to send them. Just check on the description below to get what I will show you. The recipe and the measurements on the description below of this YouTube channel. So I'm going to cream on medium speed. So the next thing is adding my cocoa powder. I'm just adding a bit of it. Please note that for your powder sugar, you need to sieve them properly. Sieve your powder sugar and your cocoa powder, so that you can use it for your buttercream or for your chocolate buttercream. I'm going to add in my powder sugar, and then I'm going to also scrape down. I'm going to add in another 2 more teaspoons of my milk. So you cream on medium speed. So I'm going to scrape down. This is very important for you to keep scraping that. If you don't scrape down, you're going to have some part mixture of icing sugar and some part mixture of chocolate. So everything will be just like this now. If you don't scrape down, this is what you're going to get. So always scrape down. And then I'm going to add in the remaining cocoa powder. and I'm going to add in the remaining icing sugar. For chocolate buttercream, it consumes more liquid, because do you know why? Because of there's extra cocoa powder into it, so it consumes more liquid. Now I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon of this. Let me just add 2 more because of the consistency. So I just added 2 more. At this point now, I am going towards cream on high speed, so that everything can be well incorporated together. You know, I'm sure you wonder how come I'm adding like probably 5 teaspoons of the mix, because of, like I explained, there's more extra cocoa powder into it, so this particular buttercream can actually consume more liquid. So at this point now, I'm adding everything. I'm going to cream for like in a high speed for like 2 minutes, so that everything can be well incorporated. So guys, we're actually done. Hope you see how it's looking so good. And then you scrape down the sides of your bowl. So our chocolate buttercream is ready. It's actually really ready. So I guess you can see this is the consistency and this is how it's looking. You can use to pipe on your cupcakes, and then use to frost the normal birthday cakes. So you can see it looking so delicious. So you're gonna see how I pipe it on my cupcake right now. So I'm gonna put into my piping bag, and then the pipe on the cupcake. That is it here. I've just added into my cupcake, and now I'm going to pipe on this. I've just put it into my piping bag, sorry guys. So I'm going to pipe into my cupcake now. Hope you can see for yourself, and then I pipe on the second one. So that is it. So that's all about how to pipe on your cupcakes. And of course, the next thing, my sprinkles. So I love my sprinkles a lot. I'm going to use sprinkles to decorate the top of the cupcake, just to make it look so lush. And so that's all about how to make a chocolate buttercream frosting. So even if you don't have this sprinkles, just like what I'm holding on my hand right now, if you have a chocolate chip, there's some chocolate chips that look like the shape of the sprinkles, so you can actually use the chocolate chips to decorate your chocolate buttercream cake frosting. So guys, for your buttercream, don't forget to store in an airtight container. You can leave in the room temperature for like 3 to 4 days, or for you to last longer, you can keep in the freezer or in the fridge, and then it will stay longer for you. So that guys, I hope you understand this video on how to make chocolate buttercream frosting. If you enjoy watching this video, please kindly hit the subscription button to get more video tutorials from my YouTube channel. Also like, comment and share to get more videos. So in the meantime, I hope you enjoy watching these videos. So guys, I name my humble self, Blessing Chemaka. Kindly keep watching this YouTube channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So guys, bye for now.